Today we are actually going to show you guys everything that you need to do when going from Chiang Mai to Pai on a scooter or in a car, whatever you choose. There is a lot to do on the trek outside of the 762 hairpin turns. There's gonna be like waterfalls, hikes, geysers. We're gonna be able to stop off and show you guys as much as possible so that way you know exactly what you wanna do when planning your trip to Pai. Just to give you some overall information about the ride is pretty chaotic when you start in the morning. You are catching morning rush traffic. So if you aren't comfortable driving in really bob and weave Thai traffic, wait till probably about 9 or 10 in the morning where everyone's already at work. But the ride total should be about 3 hours, and this is gonna include literally leaving our place, our Airbnb in Chiang Mai, which is in the center of the city, and going all the way to our hostel in Pai. But right now, we have actually stopped off on the side of the road because the lady's shop behind me, we found this the first time we did the trek, and oh my God, is her shop a hidden gem. Honestly, one of the best khao sois, not the best, but one of the best pad thais we've had in Thailand. So we're gonna go inside. I think our food's already ready. I'm gonna dig in.
Hi friends, good morning. Sorry that I look like a hot mess, but we are driving for 3 hours up a mountain, so this is what you get.
All right, so like I said, the food was ready. I went ahead and got khao soi. I tried something different. I got beef this time. I didn't even know that was an option because usually khao soi is traditionally made with chicken. See how it is.
Honestly, did Daniel already tell you that we came here last year?
Yeah.
Okay, well great. We came here last year and it was awesome. And now we're back with friends. But our friend doesn't feel so hot.
He may have Bangkok belly. I don't know, I just kind of said, I just threw a city name in front of it.
Yeah, we're just making things up now. This is all fake news, this whole channel.
The whole channel's fake news, it's all fake.
All fake. This isn't even real khao soi. We're actually not even in Thailand.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, we're gonna eat. We'll see you guys back on the road. All right, so after that delicious meal, it is time for us to get back on the scooters and keep on going. Now, something else to note for you guys, if you guys are making the trek to Pai, don't get a scooter that's 125cc because it may be fine when in the city of Pai and Chiang Mai, but when you are going up the mountains and like some of the hot springs that we're gonna try and get to while in Pai and while on the way, the scooter can't really make it up the mountain. Last time we did this, we had some friends who had a 125cc scooter instead of a 155, and we had to like put our foot behind it and push them up the mountain. So keep that in mind. We went through Mango Rentals and they were awesome. They hooked us up with these really nice, powerful bikes, but better than that, they held our bags. So when you guys are traveling to Pai, a lot of times you're gonna be able to just fit everything you need in the scooter itself because there's a storage container, and you're gonna be able to just take like maybe like a day pack on your back with some extra odds and ends. For us, it's a little different because we are taking a bunch of camera gear to show you guys the ride. We need to take our camera equipment. So one of the easiest ways to do this is fold everything up to make sure you get the straps so they're not flapping in the wind. Slide it down, and it'll sit comfortably right here. Now it does kind of limit a little bit of your actual range of motion with turning left and turning right on the steering wheel. But when you're riding a bike, and especially going through Pai, you're gonna need to lean more than anything to do the turns, so it works out fine. We did this the first time, complete success. We're doing it the second time, and so far a success. We have actually made it to one of the last petrol stations before hitting a lot of like the bends and turns on the mountainside. So when you guys are coming here, you're gonna be going along a lot of Thai highways to start with, and then as soon as you take a very prominent left, it's almost as if the scenery completely changes. You go from busy, bustling, crazy highways that are like in the middle of a city, and then all of a sudden it's just peaceful and quiet. And it's literally a left turn and onto peace and quiet. And when you hit that, probably about 10 minutes down that road, you're gonna come upon this. It's gonna be on the left-hand side. It's not very visible, so you actually have to, if you don't wanna put it over there, so you actually have to look for that sign because it was kind of tucked away when we came over. But this is gonna be a great place to fill up the scooters because from here on out, if I remember correctly, it's actually filling up at people's places. So they'll have like little hand pumps and they'll fill it up, and those are a little harder to discern which is which, but it's also a higher chance of overpaying because last time we were here, there were a lot of really nice people that we stopped off to get gas from, but there was this one guy who was like 200 baht for what should have cost us like 90. So just keep that in mind when you guys are coming here to do the trek. But we're gonna go ahead and fill up and then get back on the road. Something to note while you guys are getting any kind of gas here, the amount that you're paying is actually gonna be up here at the top, so keep an eye on that. There was one time we went to a place and they asked for like 30 baht more, and I was just like, I'm unconfident in this situation, so I'm just gonna pay it. But that top number is how much baht you owe. So right now we owe 90, and that is the symbol for baht. So we've made it to the waterfall. It cost us 20 baht to park our scooter, and then it cost us 100 baht per person to actually go in. It's really nice. It's actually a 10-minute hike, kind of up the side of the mountain. Sorry, I haven't to watch my step here. Kind of up the side of like the little mountain-esque jungle, and it's got a beautiful stream that kind of flows off to the right-hand side, and then you go up some stairs. So hopefully it's not too crazy of a hike because there are some other things we want to do on the road today and not look like total and complete garbage.
Holy cow.
Wow, this waterfall is incredible.
It's beautiful.
Oh my God. We've been to a lot of waterfalls, like a lot.
Wow.
And wow, this is the prettiest one.
It just looks epic.
And it's literally private. It's all by ourselves. Like there is not another person here.
That we had that to ourselves.
100%.
Literally 3.5 seconds after we did everything that we wanted to do at the waterfall, a tour group came.
A massive group.
And we were like, oh, I guess it's our time to go.
100%. But I think that's also kind of why we started the trip so early today. Yeah. We were trying to leave by 7, we left by 8, which was nice. But if you don't get out here early, you are having to fight the crowds.
Yeah.
So we've made it to Pong Dawat Hot Springs. This was a place that I was actually super excited to come to because it's allegedly got like a national park. It's supposed to have like a bunch of natural hot springs, but kind of disappointed when we showed up because they do have some pictures and it really just looks like a glorified hot tub that you can bounce around in a couple of them. They've been like, it looks like they've been tiled off, but another on top of that, it's kind of like adding insult to injury. It's very clearly a foreigner price and a Thai price, and they're literally like structured the same next to each other. Obviously the foreigners in English and the Thai price in Thai, but they wanted to charge us 300 baht, which is 10 US dollars, whereas they want to charge Thai people 20 baht, which is literally 75 cents. And so it was just like coming in here to us, the payoff for what you see and what you get out of like the national park and hot springs just really wasn't worth the price that they're charging you. So I think what we're gonna keep doing, this place did have a nice bathroom, but it was a terrifying drive to get here. It was probably the windiest slash smallest slash most debris-filled roads I've ever driven on. And then it started raining on top of it. So I think right now we're just gonna go ahead and use the bathroom real quick, and then we're gonna get back on the road. We have officially made it to Pai. And obviously you can see we've had a little bit of a wardrobe change. We have come to Sai Ngam Hot Springs. I'll put that down below just to make sure I spelled it right, or said it right, to be honest. But after a long ride, it's always nice to come over to a place like this, relax. It's nice and quiet. You have the water rushing, and the water is quite warm. And then after 5 p.m., it's only 20 baht to get in here instead of 220 before this. Well, after that long day and a crazy winds and bends and turns and bumps and potholes, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day and unwind. If you guys want to see other videos like this, make sure that you leave us a comment below, so that way I can know to make more content like this for you guys. And then that's about it, friends. We'll see you on the next adventure.